guys, ito ako ngayon sa aming party. So guys, papataw sa inyo ang ganda ng pool dito guys. Ganda niya size. So ganito yun guys, nag-iiba-iba siya ng kulay kapag may ilaw na dumadapo sa kanya. Ayan guys, ang ganda ng kulay niya, kulay blue, diba? So ito ang lalim nito mga loads, mga guys. So mataas dito, malalim to, nasa 10 feet din to. So ang ganda na to guys. Ngayon ay party namin, so let's enjoy it. Let's go guys. Guys, tara, tingnan natin kung gaano kaganda ang aming party, Christmas party dito sa Anta.
I used to live with ghosts and all the perfect couples. Said when we meet,
Guys, ito guys, nagsasayaw na tayo ha. Let's watch.
all of the girls and all your friends. I've seen it before, we'll see it again. Life is a song and ends when it ends. Mama told me it's alright. You were dancing all the night.
Ay, hindi siya makasayaw. Bawal, ayun.
You were in it for me.
Okay.
And don't be try to let go. Give it all we got. Finally left the table. And what a simple thought. You're starving till you're not. Life is a song, it ends when it ends. And that's when I told you it's alright. You were dancing through the lightning strikes. So sleepless in the morning tonight. But now this there's no one like you. And I to make your own sunshine. Now the sky is
Tuwan ko to ginto. Buti na lang nag-uwi ka ng microwave. Ina. Uwian na po. Tang ina. Thank you, Anta. Nag-uwi siya ng microwave.
Sabi ni Onyo, umuwi na daw sila dalawa ni Angelo.
Iniwan na tayo? Kawawa naman, iniwan na tayo. Tang ina. Teka lang. Nahilo ako. Nahilo yan. Teka lang, Dylan. Ang ina yun. Bibigbit ka. Ang sexy na suot namin. Tapos nagbibigbit kami microwave. Pagod na din ako, te.